Are you running out of a face wash and you really don't want to go out to take a risk and just to buy a face wash, right? Then this video is for you. Hi everyone, my name is Tanvi Singhal. Welcome. Today's video is all about one ingredient that will completely replace your face wash. And I have been trying this, I have been using this product for quite a while and this works wonder. So all you need is chickpea powder, besan, or you also call it gram flour. So what you need to do, instead of taking your face wash, you have to take just 1 teaspoon of this besan and add some water, rub it on your skin like you wash your face, and इसको आप around 1 minute के लिए face पर छोड़ दीजिए and then again rub this in a circular motion. Don't overdo the scrubbing because doing it regularly means rubbing the chickpea powder regularly on your face. It's kind of scrubs your face, and scrubbing your face daily for a longer time is not good. Just a little bit of exfoliation is needed every day, जो कि आप अगर 1 minute करते हैं तो that is more than enough. Once you start using this product, this ingredient like besan, you will see that your face has become clear. Besan has a natural property of removing oil, excess oil from your skin and giving it a fresh look and a brightened look. So if you start doing it regularly, like morning, evening, like जैसे आप अपना face wash use करते हैं morning and evening, you will see the difference in your skin. Your skin will look tighter. And don't forget to moisturize your face every time you wash your face, because it kind of it removes the excess oil from your skin, so you may find a little dry. Hopefully this video helps you and replaces your regular face wash for all time. I will come back with another such video. Till then, take care.